Hey guys, Bruce here from AYC. We've just rocked up here at Grabine for the our inaugural Wilson fishing Lake Wyangala Cod Classic. Should be a good weekend. We got 66 teams here this weekend, about 170 competitors. Boys are pretty keen. Tonight we've got a meal, we've got a barbecue dinner for them, and yeah, then we let them go. We'll see them on Sunday morning. I hope a few of the boys are going to whack a few. The weather forecast is pretty good. I think a bit of rain tomorrow, being Saturday, and a bit of wind. So hopefully the boys can stay out there and catch a few. Really excited, looking forward to it. Jacko and I, we're heading out in the morning. We're going to go through the day and just do a few different techniques. Hopefully we can get one or two. But yeah, we're going to go through things tomorrow, and just an early morning, what we use early morning, and then sort of mid-afternoon, and then tomorrow night we'll head out again. So hopefully we can get a few fish. We'll see how we go.
So I've just pulled up on this bank early this morning. It's a real shallow bank. We're in about 3 metres water, and we're just casting up tight. There's a point coming up, so casting up tight on that point. What we're doing is we're just throwing some swim baits around to start the morning. So basically what we're hoping is those cod are coming up in these shallower sections, chasing a bit of bait, and yeah, hopefully we can master that bait with one of our swim baits and get one of these fish to bite. We can see plenty of bait on the sounder, and there's a few pelicans kicking about, so we reckon we're in the right area. We'll just give this a bit of a go till that sun comes up, and then we'll try something different. Once that sun comes up, they'll push out a bit deeper and go back to their structure, but with this low light, they should be cruising around in this shallow water, chasing this bait, and hopefully we can fool one. See how we go. Righto guys, so no good this morning, throwing swim baits up around some shallow points and stuff. So we've moved up, we're right up the Abercrombie arm at the moment. Unfortunately it's a little bit dirty than what we thought it was going to be, but there still seems to be a few fish kicking about up here, and we have heard guys have been doing alright, and I myself have been doing alright up here over the past month, but it is very dirty. So what we've opted to do is we're fishing trees, any timber, and some steep rock walls, and we're just throwing big crankbaits. Try and use that whitey colour, reflective with a bit of blue, so it stands out and the fish can see it, and just banging them into the timber, and also spinnerbaits. So that's just a Bassman spinnerbait there with a dial duckfinch hat on the back. About a 1 ounce or 5/8 to 1 ounce. This one's an ounce, depends on how deep it is. Some of the rock walls are getting down to about 5 metres, and some of the other areas where we're fishing the timber is about 2 or 3. So just fishing real tight to the structure. That sun's come up now. It's about 10 o'clock in the morning. We're going to do this right through lunch. We'll go have a quick feed, and then we'll come back out the Savo. We'll probably find a different area when that light dims down again. See if we can't find them in the shallows, and throw chatterbaits like Bassman mumblers and swim baits a bit later. But we'll keep giving this a crack, see if we can't tempt one.
Just here fishing in the AYC Wyangala Cod Classic. The sun's right up now. It's been a bit tough this morning, so just changed over from the swim baits to some mumblers. Fishing on this steeper bank with that nice contour coming down now that sun's right up high. We've come across this little fella. I think something like that wouldn't be too bad this weekend. It's a very good fish. So basically what we're doing is just chucking it to the bank, tight to the edge, and just working it back down nice and slow with a lot of pauses, hopping that mumbler off the bottom. That's just one of the 1 ounce from Bassman. Chucking him on the new Tatula 100 gram, 200 Tatula HD. Hopefully we can come across something that can shake up the comp a little bit. Get a bit of strife here. Wow.
What's happened, Cop?
Oh mate. This all happened here.
So how do you get one of these things out?
Let's keep picking at it, pulling it, and hope for the best. A lot of hope. I think we'll get away with this one.
We're just up the Lachlan Arm at the moment at Wyangala. We've done it a bit tough today, been a heap of fish caught, just not in this boat, but we're still plugging away. We've decided to hit a few deeper banks with some snags. We're sitting in about 10 metres of water at the moment. I'm using the Venom swim bait rod, and I'm throwing a 1 ounce Bassman mumbler. The water's a little bit murky up here, so I've sort of decided to go to an orange, but we'll give it a flick for another half hour, then we'll probably run out of a bit of light, but we'll see how we go. It's pretty windy back in the main basin, so we've come up to the arms, but we're still trying. That's cod fishing, I suppose, guys, but anyway, we'll keep plugging away.
You're having a shocker going, bro. You're having a shocker. Right, we've put in the hard yards, but we finally got the reward. Well, Scott got the reward, and here we get to see the big girls swim away. How good is that? And there we go. Woo!
Yes, man. That is the best.
Right, I let him go.
Right.
Yeah.
Jesus. Oh, get a snap like that.
Yeah.
I can't, I've got my video.
Steve, you got your...
Yeah, why not?
You got me.
Just give me
I'm on video. It's alright, I can drink. Call it. He's cracked the meter. In the comp.
Have a,
Here we go.
Goodbye.
have a go at that. There you go.
Go, let it go, let it go.
Healthy as, look at that.
Oh, get, bro. Let's go on and go on some moody.
Now this was bloody close. There you go, mate. You hear the winners check over. 1 millimetre. Won the event. I was panicking this morning. I thought, what we do in the case of a tie, and honestly, it's happened before. We just split the prize money, but we looked at them so close, and one of them was just a few mil over the 105, so we called it a 106. Won the event, and I'd like to welcome up to collect their $5 grand Jerry Granson, who caught the fish, and Team Gudahurus.
Give you that part first. I suppose you want that? Who gets that? Who's the skipper?
Give it to the skipper.
There you go, boys. Well done.
When did you catch it? How did you catch it? Where?
After about half a bottle of port, a couple of beers, we got it on, what's that, cork port?
Oh, call pot, yeah.
Cork
Cork
pot,
port, about 200 metres in the middle of nowhere, comes up to what, 10 foot?
Yeah.
On a nookie gill gigantral.
Okay, on a gigantal.
On a
So you
troll.
were fishing out wide, were you?
Yeah, it's just a big hump out in the middle.
Yep.
It only gets up to about 4 foot deep.
Okay, so that was a bit of local knowledge, obviously. You guys don't live far from here.
Yeah, I found it probably 4 weeks ago.
Okay.
And, been finding a few good fish there.
Yep. So were you trolling? So you were casting, trolling?
Nah, trolled all right from here. We got back in the boat and trolled all the way around to the entrance to Lachlan and then in the cork pot. And
Okay.
about, I don't know, someone said we probably should pull the pin and yeah, come
That
up
would
with
have
this
been
little...
Steve.
Yeah, it was.
Yeah.
He's the oldest, he's the
He
softest.
ran out of beer.
And yeah, come up, just got real shallow and we were all bumping the bottom and
No,
So with the Gigantorel, did you weight it down?
3/8 chin weight, yeah.
Yeah, okay. And what was your gear you were using? What braid are you running, and what size leader?
The 50-pound leader, 50-pound braid, and Wilson Venom, the stick bait.
Good stuff.
Yeah, rod and Tranks reels.
Tranks 300.
Okay.
All pretty standard gear, really.
Yeah. Okay, guys. That sounds pretty good. I think we've got it all. Roughly what time was it that you caught the fish?
10 o'clock. 10 o'clock, yeah.
10 o'clock.
Yeah.
Okay. Anyway, guys, congratulations again, and I'd just like to commiserate with Team Chase and Tail, Mitch and Nathan. They got a 105. So, but they take enough money off me through the year in the yellow belly comps anyway, so it doesn't matter. All right, guys, congratulations.
Thanks, Brucey.
Thank you.
There you go.